Hey, welcome to this shortwave radio channel, and of course, as we look more and more into the Tecsun PL-330, we see that this is clearly a winner little radio for 2021. I'm amazed at the number of features that this radio has for the price, and its performance is superb. If it wasn't for the little muting when you actually tune in the bands, it would be the perfect radio probably. For price, performance, features, amazing radio. I'll have a few videos showing some tips and tricks on this radio so that you can actually use it really full to its fullest. One is the display light. So when you actually tune around or when you press keys, of course the receiver has a backlight that stays on for a few seconds. If you want this backlight to stay on all the time when you are actually using the radio, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is press the number 5 key and hold it. There we go. You see on has just appeared on the display. Now this does not stay. Once you turn off the radio, it will come back to a state where the light will actually go off. So you need to press the number 5 key and hold it until you see the on display. And the background lighting, the backlight, sorry, is going to stay on all the time. So this is cool because backlight, radios that actually can't have the backlight always on is kind of, I find that a little sad. I like to have the backlight on all the time, most of the time. I know that the reason they often don't have the light on all the time is because, it takes a little more battery. But honestly, I prefer having it on, even on battery. Of course, it depends. If I'm outside in the sunshine, I don't need the light, of course. But, most of the time, I kind of like to have the display on and the backlight on. So remember, press the number 5 key. Hold it until it says on in the display, and every time you turn on the radio again to listen, you'll have to do it again. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.